Welcome to China Table. Learn to cook traditional Chinese cuisine. You're here because you love to learn and you love Chinese food. It's no secret that Chinese food is one of the most amazing cuisines out there. The meals you learn in this course is not found in just any Chinese restaurant. These dishes are long-standing and time-tested and is passed down from generations ago. I have 10 years of experience cooking Chinese food. Cooking has been one of my life's greatest passions and part of my heritage. My ability to cook has been certainly passed down by my family, and now I will pass it down to you. My name is Jon Chu, and I will be your guide in this course. You will have fun in this course while learning a new valuable skill, and by the end of the course, you'll be able to prepare delicious Chinese masterpieces like tea eggs, char siu, or Buddha's delight, and be able to impress your friends the next time you go to a potluck or a dinner party. In this course, I will demonstrate how to cook each of those traditional Chinese dishes, provide recipes and detailed instructions, and demystify finding the ingredients for these dishes, and more. I designed this course for the curious learner and the family chef who wants the family and friends to get excited about dinner time and is in search of a new cuisine to spice up their lives. If this sounds like you, enroll in this course today, and we'll see you inside.